Owlette, Gecko, Buttercup, Blossom, Bubbles. Welcome to Tons of Toys. How many blind boxes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 blind boxes today. Are you ready to open some blind boxes? Which blind box should we open first? Should we open Bubbles' blind box? Or Gecko? Or Catboy? How about Buttercup? Let's open Buttercup's blind box. Hey Buttercup, what do we have in your blind box? Oh look, we got slime. So slimy. What do we have in there? Oh, it looks like a pig. Is that a pig from Angry Birds? I think it is. And there's Red, the angriest bird. And that's Matilda. Matilda is the anger management class leader. She's a white bird with a pretty purple tail. She's funny. See who else we have. We got a yellow bird here. That's Chuck. Chuck is very fast. He talks fast, he runs fast. He's very thin. Let's put him down over here. Looks like we have some more green little pigs. This one has a hat. Oh, and we have one more. Green little pig. So much slime. So slimy. Give it a squeeze. Blossom, come on down. Hey, Blossom, what's in your blind box? Oh, look at that. This is a Disney Series 4 mystery pack. Collect all 15. Let's see which one we get. Will it be Timon, Lotso, Locke, Lilo? Let's open it up. Let's see who we have here. I think this is Joy. It does look like Joy. Joy has blue hair, is yellow. She has a little purple bed. Couple of yellow balls. And a little fan. Okay, let's put her fan right here. The little balls here. And here. And then we put Joy right there. Bubbles, come on down. Hey Bubbles, what's in your blind box? It's a Kitty in My Pocket Collectible Figures Series 2. Let's see what we have. So here's our checklist, our collector checklist. These are all of our available options for kitties. Let's see who we have. Did we get Dylan, Leo, Stretcher? It's Kiki! And I love kitties. This kitty has some gray over her eyes, and she's white. And she has a little fish bowl. Meow. Gecko, come on down. What do you have in your blind box, Gecko? It looks like we have a blind bag. This is a SpongeBob SquarePants Series 3 Mega Bloks. Should we open it up? This is our guide for our Mega Bloks. Super cool. These are our different collectibles. Let's see who we ended up with. Let's put our Mega Bloks together. I think we have this little red robot. Let's put them together. So these are our legs. Put them here. Here. Attach our torso. Right there. We have a few arms. Put these in on the side here. Really gotta push them in there. We have our arms, our body, our legs. Let's put our head right here. This is our antenna. Our little pole. Put it in his hand. And voila! There we go. We have a little red robot. Let's see if Gecko has anything else. Oh look, there's a bunch of Skittles. What do we have in there? Digging deep down in there. Oh, we have Gecko. We have a little Gecko. Owlette, come on down. Owlette, what do you have in your blind box? Oh, it's another blind bag. This one is a minifigures Lego. Let's see what we have. So these are all of our available minifigures from Disney. Oh, we have some pretty cool options. Got Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Let's see who we have. Let's see who we have when we put the figure together. Looks like we have some legs, a torso, and we have a head. Can anybody guess who this is? That's right, it's Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Owlette, what else is in your blind box? Let's dig in there. What do we have? Oh, we have a little Owlette. We have one more blind box. Catboy, come on down. Hey, Catboy, what do you have in your blind box? It looks like it's a Mash'ems. A super squishy Mash'ems. Let's open it up. I love Mash'ems. Now this is one of the Transformers Mash'ems. Let's give him a squish. And a pull. And one more squish. Catboy, do you have anything else in your blind box? Oh look, we got some Skittles. And deep under there, it's Catboy! If you enjoyed opening up these super cool, super fun blind boxes with me, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe. And keep on smiling. Bye-bye.